Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we'll see how to crochet this beautiful rustic pumpkins. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, if you find time, please do not forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. So this is the rustic pumpkins that I've crocheted. I've crocheted them in two sizes. Today we are going to see this bigger one, and I'll give you the measurements for the smaller one. The pattern is pretty much the same. There is no change. Only thing is we'll reduce the number of stitches and number of rows to get this smaller pumpkin. So this is perfect for this season. Let's see what we need for this. So I've taken this Red Heart soft yarn, color tangerine, and Karen Simply soft yarn for our stem, and 5.5 millimeter for the pumpkin, and 4.5 millimeter for the stem, a tapestry needle and a scissor. For row 1 we are going to work a slip knot and chain 23. So this is going to be our row 1. So for row 2 we are going to work 1/2 double crochet on the third chain from the hook, and we will be working 1/2 double crochet on each stitch till the end. So this is pretty very simple. So we are just going to work 1/2 double crochet on each stitch till the end. Now I've done my half double crochet rows. Then I'll work chain 2 turn. This chain 2 does not count as a stitch. For row 3 we are going to work 1/2 double crochet on the back loop. Now you can see the front and back loop. We are going to only work half double crochet on the back loops of each and every stitch across. So I'm working 1/2 double crochet on each stitch only on the back loops. We'll be proceeding like this till the other side. So we're going to work 1/2 double crochet on the back loop. So now I've completed my row 2. Row 3 we'll do a chain 2 turn. As I said, this chain 2 does not count as a stitch. So for row 3 we will work 1/2 double crochet on the front loops only. So we are going to work 1/2 double crochet on the front loops only. So always count the number of stitch. We should have 21 stitches, 21 half double crochet at the end of each row. So for row 4 we are working 1/2 double crochet on front loops only on each and every stitches. So continue like this till the end of this row, working 1/2 double crochet on the front loops only. So now this row is complete. We can do a chain 2 turn, and for row 5 we are just going to repeat row 3, which is working 1/2 double crochet on the back loops, and for row 6 we will work 1/2 double crochet on the front loops. So for row 5 to row 29 I have just repeated row 3 and row 4, that is working on front loops and back loops. So you can see the ridges, which is our right side, and the other side will be our wrong side. So I will leave a long tail of yarn and then cut off the yarn and do a slip stitch to secure our yarn. Now we'll attach a tapestry needle, and then we can sew the work as I've done in the video. Please watch and do it like I do. Now that we've finished our pumpkins, we can start working on our stem. So for this, I've just worked a couple of rows of I-cord. Those who do not know how to crochet an I-cord, I will attach a description of the video where I show you how to crochet an I-cord. You can just work 5 or 6 rows of that and then do a slip stitch and secure your yarn, and then you can attach to your pumpkin using your tapestry needle. I hope you enjoyed making these beautiful rustic pumpkins. These are very simple and easy to make. Please try this at home and let me know your comments. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.